Tired of long launch processes for landing pages? Want to create high-converting campaigns quickly? With Unbounce, build personalized campaigns without designers or developers. Easily create landing page variants and A/B test with one click. Optimize efforts with AI insights. Our smart traffic feature directs visitors to the most likely converting page for better results. The drag and drop builder lets you design pages swiftly with customizable, conversion-optimized templates. Use dynamic text replacement to match keywords customers use. Maintain creative control with custom code for tailored brand designs. Experiment endlessly to compare variants and let AI choose the best. Monitor real-time data to assess performance based on device and location. Smart traffic automatically boosts conversions by sending visitors to top pages. Leverage machine learning benchmarks to compare your page against competitors. Identify new opportunities with smart traffic to enhance leads, sales, and sign-ups. Integrate seamlessly with platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot. SaaS businesses can quickly optimize lead generation, while e-commerce stores see increased sales. Agencies can impress clients with targeted landing pages and solid A/B testing results. Our concierge plans provide expert support to scale your marketing efforts. Unbounce is your comprehensive solution to build, test, and optimize landing pages. Start a free 14-day trial for powerful pop-ups and sticky bars. Don't miss maximizing conversions. Begin your free trial now to elevate your marketing.